next speaker is David Almirol, the CEO of Multisys Technologies. And this is an entrepreneur. So I'm pleased to have him with us again. He's active across the nation and including Davao. A lot of work being done that is really leading the country ahead in its technology pursuit. So really pleased to have David. This is the company won the Most Innovative Company of the Year award at Asia CEO Awards a couple of years ago, and just a fantastic story. So please welcome David Almirol of Multisys Technologies. So glad to have you, David.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for having me in this Asia CEO Davao 2021 virtual event. Thank you for the opportunity to have me as one of your speakers for today. I'm excited to share with you my insights on Davao innovations, how technology can help accelerate transformation. This is an interesting topic as we explore the ongoing projects and initiatives within the southern region and impart how Multisys and other tech industries are contributing towards growth and sustainability. One of the ongoing projects we have with Davao and across Mindanao is operations automation and system integration. This will support the increase of business productivity and will be able to help drive economic growth. We have identified 3 benefits that the Davao community and its constituents can experience with technology. The first one is a smart city is a safer city. System automation in businesses and cities allows quicker emergency response and preserves cities' resources and manpower for other day-to-day activities. This also fortifies Davao's current standing for being known as one of the safest cities in the world. Second, the city should have a contactless, paperless, and cashless transactions. Going digital improves the operation performance and reduces carbon footprint. This goes along with the sustainable Davao movement and promoting Davao as a green city. Lastly, technology promotes smarter governance. Automation and integration promotes ease of doing business because all of the transactions and operations are in one unified system. This helps by making data processes transparent. This supports the local government of Davao having a good governance reputation across the country. Davao had been known as one of the pioneers in innovation across all industries, and we should continue to support that by recognizing and fostering the capabilities of the Davaoenos. With Mayor Sara Duterte governing the city and keeping the community productive, this helps to open its doors to investments and opportunity despite the current health crisis. In fact, the OST just announced this year their plan to build sustainable energy technologies hub to further promote renewable energy development, and the ICT is also setting up their digital transformation centers for betterment of Davao ICT infrastructure. Here in Multisys, we have identified key cities, including Davao, to create satellite offices outside Metro Manila. This is in line with our advocacy towards supporting the local tech communities in the country. To give you an idea on how the Multisys community creates a unique culture, I'd like to share this video. Please watch. Multisys Technologies Corporation is your one-stop system provider. We do advanced systems research and development, focus on evolving assets of IT systems, platforms, and software solutions. We show integrated set of programs and solutions that drive businesses nowadays. Backed by our R&D team, we are able to customize solutions according to your business requirements with speed, accuracy, and efficiency. In our efforts to help Filipinos' way of life through digital innovations and transformation, we partnered with IT companies, system contractors, government agencies, big conglomerates, small and medium enterprises, and tech startups as well. We go above and beyond partnerships. It's a teamwork, and we make sure that your business and ours grow together. We find success in every collaboration and establish meaningful connections. That's why we want to partner with you. Here at Multisys, we empower your business. Multisys is a one-stop software company. So instead of you talking to too many integrators, we'll be able to come up with a centralized and automated way of doing things. We have a team that really move like one. So they are really united. So instead of one programmer, one system approach, I think multiple programmers joining force together, they can collaborate easily. We have speed, we have accuracy, we have efficiency. I think that's the secret of the group. That's why companies love to work with us. It will be faster for them. It will be more efficient to develop and deploy a certain system. They are a designer, they are a coder or programmer, they are a systems analyst, they are a quality control expert, and they're a UI and UX expert as well. That skill is not easy to really somehow have in one programmer. Multisys can really customize the system. We can customize it according to their needs, design for their own and existing process flows. We're all racing against the clock. Priority of Multisys is to elevate the lifestyle of every Filipino by delivering automated, integrated systems to make sure that we can fast-track the operation, processes. I think it's all about how fast can you deliver a certain technology. Speed matters nowadays. Sabi nga sa Tagalog, diba, daig ng maagap ang masipag. That's why we develop futuristic systems. What we do is that we predict the future, we develop, and then the moment that we are partnered with a certain entity, we're able to show them a live system. It's not a PowerPoint presentation. It will be a prototype, it will be a working system. So this will give them an idea how to solve a problem. This will give them an idea to expedite their processes. So not only showing them a vision, but showing them a solution already. We develop end-to-end solutions for 8 industries now. And we would like to automate other industries as well. Currently, we have an end-to-end solution for information technology businesses, okay, ERPs. We have e-government solutions, healthcare, an end-to-end solution for utility, whether you are an electric company, a water utility company, a telco, or a cable utility company. We do also retail, hospitality, academe, and of course, the new one is the banking and finance. Here at Multisys, we empower your business. At the end of the day, technology shouldn't be a privilege, but a convenience that everyone deserves to experience, whether you're in Davao or anywhere in the country. We have a lot of projects to work on in the region, but if we allow ourselves to be open to opportunities and business synergies, we can definitely accelerate the innovation process, not only in Davao, but also in every city and municipality in Mindanao and nationwide. Once again, I'd like to thank the organizers, Asia CEO, for having me here to share with you my insights. I am really humbled to be here today and have a great day ahead. Daghang salamat.
Okay, that was David Almirol of Multisys Technologies. Thanks, David, for updating us on all your technological pursuits. And yeah, keep up the great work you're doing, moving the nation ahead and keeping us all connected in ways that are fast, easy, and inexpensive. Very good.